Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and let's tap on this icon. It should be, as you can see, 3 dots icon. So let's tap on it and click on History. As you can see here, we've got the full list of previously visited websites. In order to remove only one of it, simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it simply disappears. But if you want to clear much more data, for example passwords, then simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. We can either remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to last 7 days. And if you are ready, click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been successfully cleared. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.